Alrighty, what is up guys? A long time no see. It's been, I want to say like a month probably. I'm doing the update on my 220 and thank you to my wonderful girlfriend for filming for me. But anyways, this is going to be an update on it. I worked on it a while back and I lost motivation of it because I got, see here, you can come. I ordered two, I guess, Chinese carburetors. Both of these leaked out of overfill, and I was super tired, and it just made me lose motivation. And I took apart the old carburetor from the green one, and this is after probably about a whole can of carb cleaner. Still isn't clean whatsoever. So, if you look over here, I use a bunch of parts off of this one. As you can see, I don't know if you see, but there's a box, no box, and their carburetors off. I have a bag in there. And anyways, I use it for this four-wheeler. As you can see, it's finally in there. Because I couldn't find anybody selling the Airbox, so I just use it off the blue one. But now, I'm having troubles out of the electric start. It just keeps popping. I got a new starter relay, so I guess I'm thinking I might need a new starter. I'm not sure about that, but I did get it running a little bit. That is, if I can get it started, because I usually can't get it started for some odd reason. First pull. See, it idles not good. I was about to say good, but that's all I'm saying. It hasn't run in a long time. Pause the video and I'll be right back. There it goes.
Wait.
What?
Okay, it is recording.
But anyways, it does run, but I might have to tune it because it does that. Starts up. I just realized I started in first gear. That was probably not enough. But I can't go fast. But anyways, I'm not gonna try to crank it because you get the point.
Wait, sit on there. This looks cool.
But anyways, that was a little update. And if you know how to tune a 220 carburetor, please let me know in the comments. Because I kind of know how to do it, but I want to make sure I do it right. But anyways, if you like this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And peace.